Oh, classic. Give him a nice big ticket. He can afford it.
Suffering your jocks.
Well, fucking hell. Fucking driven down the wrong side of the road.
And where the fuck are you going? Wow! Dumbass. Stop sign! Greg, the stop sign! Hey Greg, you missed the stop sign! Motherfucker. Fucking dickhead.
And what do? We end up looking like a monkey fucking a football out there.
What is going on here? Is this person turning around?
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, they've gone down the bus lane. Yep, we'll have that. Here you go. I knew this guy was going to do this. Hasn't got the memo yet. Oh, you prick. What a prick.
What is that car?
Oh, it's got a person with a...
Yes, that looks very like...
Oh yeah, nice red light, mate. Who needs to wait for a red light?
right.
What's up, people? You've gone AWOL with Rise. What's up?
Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around.
Where the bloody hell do you think you're going, idiot? Talk about stupid.
That's right. Now, say my name.
That's going on, Scotties.
Stuck in a bloody accident on Canberra Ave. And then I looked and I could have actually, the learner, poor learner. Oh, they go on the red, the van go on the red.
Do you can you get the mobile cameras on this? Like, do people, the ways and stuff you can put in when you drive past a mobile camera? Does that come up there?
Yeah, it comes up, yeah.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Stormy waters.
Hey, Scotty.
Oh, hello.
Pacific Motorway Slip Road.
You fucking dickhead. And red light!
Hey!
That's partly the new bit.
Look at this fucking idiot. Fucking dickhead.
Some people are really fucking stupid. Did you ever notice that? How many?
Fucking driving crazy. Fuck, it's on fire. Yeah.